there. Today I want to show you a little tutorial on how to use transfer paper to copy images. Now thought I would just show you my whole process. I'm going to be in the tutorial for how to make the llama. I want to make a PDF of my drawing. So because I didn't do it the first time around, so I'm going to show you how I use transfer paper to make my PDF for you. And then how that will then show you how you can take my PDF to transfer your llama onto your own canvas. So first thing I'm going to do is I have my finished painting here. I'm going to take a piece of tracing paper and I am going to outline the shape of my cute little friend. Now my canvas is a little bit bigger than my 8.5 by 11. So the neck will just like kind of go off the page a little bit, but that's okay. So you trace your little friend. This looks like a baseball hat to me. It's funny. So, don't want drawing, or I don't want you to feel like your inability to draw is keeping you from being creative. That's like the worst, so I'm going to help you out. And you can use this technique to, you know, if you see an image that you like somewhere, you can print out print it out on your printer, and then you can use this technique to transfer it onto your canvas. Alright, so I just have a piece of paper here. I have my llama. And I have here a piece of graphite tracing paper. Just so you know, this also, and this is super cool, comes in different colors, but it also comes in white. So if like you are transferring onto a black canvas or like a black gessoed canvas, how cool is that? You can actually transfer it also, because you might be thinking, or if you have a dark painted surface, like, oh, I want to transfer it, but I can't because, you know, this won't show up on it. You can actually just grab that same product in white. It's so cool. And I should say, you can use these sheets over and over and over and over and over again. I've used them like this is like a life, I'm not kidding you, one of these rolls is like a lifetime supply. I have this same supply that I had got, I'm not kidding you, 10 years ago. I'm still using it. And then you need to, what you should do is you put your image down onto your canvas or your paper, and you're gonna slide under. Whoop. Now, yeah, and this doesn't have to be the tracing paper. You could just like print your llama out on the computer. You don't need to do the tracing part at all, really. So print your image out, slip the piece of transfer paper under it. Now, one side is covered with graphite. The other side is not. And so the graphite side down is darker and this is lighter. That's how you tell the difference. So you want the graphite side down. And then all you do is take like a pen, like a sharp writing instrument, and trace over, and I'll show you. And typically I always use a ballpoint pen because it is a nice sharp tip. And then you can trace your drawing on to whatever surface it is that you're going to use to paint. Of course, you can be neater than what I'm doing. Whoop. And you know what? Tracing is also a great way to build muscle memory, so don't feel like it's cheating. You don't need to feel like you're not being authentic. You're still drawing, and by you having your hands come over these lines and over, you actually are improving your drawing skills. So don't be shy, don't feel guilty. Just use it as a tool as you need to. And look at that. Our drawing is fully transferred, so you may go and finish your drawing as you would like to. You're welcome.